Can I start, Maharaja? Now listen. This is also one of the important, because many time they asked, I have seen that. Okay. So here what is the thing they are mentioned? Solid toy. What they mentioned here? Solid toy they mentioned. So that a solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. Diagram they are given, we no need to draw. Diagram they are given, we no need to draw. Is the diagram given, or I think diagram is not given, am I right? In the question they didn't mention from the figure like that. Diagram is not given. I have taken with the diagram. Actually, without a diagram we have to go. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, it's not able to crop. Leave it. You forget the diagram. It's not given. Now you have to draw one. Okay. So what is that? A solid toy is in the form of hemisphere surrounded by a right circular cone. So see, there is a hemisphere. There is a hemisphere like this. There is a hemisphere. Okay, there is a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. So you take a cone. You take a cone. You make it surmounted. Surmounted in the sense, the edge to edge it's covered equally. That is the meaning. Okay. So there is a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. And next thing what they said, height of the cone is 2 centimeter. Height of the cone is 2 centimeter. And diameter of the base 4 centimeter. So this will be 2, this will be 2, all together 4. Understand? And determine the volume of the toy. This volume they are asking. This volume they are asking. Shall we find the volume? It's very easy. First I will find the volume. Till this we completed reading. Later we will continue. First volume of toy they asked. Right. Volume of toy, which is volume of hemisphere plus volume of a cone. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. Radius common for both places, so that you take pi r square by 3 commonly outside. Here 2r is remaining. Here just h alone remaining. Am I right, children? So pi value anything given? Yeah, 3.14. So you just apply. And by 3 is there. Radius they are given that 2. So 2 into 2 open. Diameter 4 they mentioned clearly. H value 2. Am I right, children? That you simplify, you will be getting the answer. Okay. Now 2 to the 4. 4 you multiply with this. 4 you multiply with this. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Remaining 1. 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. And 3 4s are 12. After 2 digit give point in the sin, 12.56 divide 3. When I add in a bracket, what I am getting? 6. 1 time, how many time my dear? 2. Multiple with the 2, what I am getting? 6 2s are 12, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11, remaining 1 again. 4 plus 1, 5. This is not there, leave it. And 1 2s are 2. So that 25.12 centimeter square is the required answer. Area of, centimeter cube, area of volume of a toy. What, my dear? Volume of a toy, we got answer. Now next line what they are telling, you see, children, if right circular cylinder circumscribe toy, there is a what is that, another shape, cylinder they are telling, cylinder circumscribe a toy. Circumscribe in the sense around the first shape it will be coming. Do you remember a circle circumscribe a quadrilateral? Means what? Quadrilateral around circle they will be drawing. Understand? Same manner around the toy we have to draw cylinder now. That's it. Do you understand? Now I am going to draw the cylinder. So it should be circumscribe, I am right. Circumscribe now all the side it should be touch. This is the cylinder. Cylinder means it's like a rectangle only cylinder. After making a circle in the top and bottom, you will become to know it's a cylinder. You understand? Have you seen that? Like that it is okay. And find the difference of the volume of cylinder and toy. Toy, what is that? Find the difference between volume of cylinder and toy. Toy volume we have already. cylinder volume minus toy volume, if you do, you will be getting, because toy is a smaller than cylinder. Am I right? Because inside the cylinder only toy is there. Okay. So volume of cylinder minus volume of a toy, that is they asked. Volume of cylinder pi r square h, volume of toy 25.12, radius same thing, only 2 centimeter, height only, here they are given 2 for cone, radius what is that, the same thing only, height also you will be getting 2. So all together 2 plus 2, what I am getting, 4 is the height. Then pi value 3.14, radius 2 into 2, h value 4, minus 25.12. So this is what 2 to the 4, again another 4 was 16. So 3.14 into 16 minus 25.12. Multiply each other. Raja, this you multiplied. Multiply fast. .24 minus 25.12, after subtract 25.12. Even difference also same volume. Have you observed this? What you got here, same thing only we are getting here. Okay. Really, this type is very important. This type is very important in the volume. Kindly you just read very clearly. Do you understand? A combination of more than 2 figures deleted in area. This is volume. Do you understand? Don't think it will not come. Combination of 2 figures area only deleted. Area, this is volume. There is a difference. Understand, children? So you have to ready with that. Kindly you prepare this. This is one of the important question in our textbook which is given. Many times they asked this. Kindly you prepare it. Okay. Anything else from 13 chapter we will complete. Anything else from 13 chapter? Example 3. Don't jump here and there. You go order wise. First example 1. How many of them don't know example 1? First see the example 1. If you know the idea, you will live it. Right. Ma, listen. If you don't know the idea, I will give the idea. Listen carefully. Ma, listen carefully. We will go from the first. I told you where we have to use volume, sorry, CSA, TSA. I told you one keyword. Do you remember that keyword? Solid and listen. If it is a single figure, if it is a single figure, there it will be like a TSA we have to use, I said. If they are using surface area, the word surface area they are using, we have to use what, my dear? I mean, here I will explain. See, if there is a single figure, 13th chapter, this is very important. In a single figure, if they are telling TSA or surface area, both are same meaning. If they are telling like that, we have to find the total surface area. Even surface area also meaning total surface area in the single figure. CSA, they said use CSA. Do you understand? Right. Now, combination of the figure. Combination in the sense, there it may come like a 2 or 3 also. 3 is not there, only 2 figures. Sometimes 3 will come same shape. 3 different only deleted. More than 2 means 3 or 4 also will come. Different shape only deleted. Now see, for example, there is a cylinder. Here one hemisphere, here one hemisphere. This is what like a and the globe jamun sum is there. That we can. And rocket one sum. Here one rocket, there one rocket. See, actually we have a 3 shape. 1, 2, 3 like that. But 2 shape we have a same. So that we are not considering in the 3 this is. Do you understand, children? Is it okay or what? So that you go carefully. So what is that? Combination figure is suppose if it is coming. Combination figure if it is coming without the word solid. We have to go always CSE of first figure. You find CSE of first figure plus CSE of second figure plus etc. If you have a more, you just add like that. Always like this. In the same combination, word solid is there. Word solid is there in the sense we have to find always sum of all visible areas. What, my dear? Sum of all visible areas we have to go. That is very important. Understand? So these 2 things you have to remember here. Solid word comes all visible area. Solid word is not coming. Very simple. CSA plus CSA. That's it. You no need to worry and all. Can I show the examples now? See, here, very simple. Rachel got a plate of as his birthday present. Okay, no need to read. The full question you see whether the word solid is there. No. Find the area of as to color. The area as to color alone you should be careful always. If it is joined each other, okay. Sometime it will open. That time we have to color very carefully. Area as to color is coming. What I gave that idea, it never works sometime. Okay, for example, it is surmounted, no problem. It's surmounted, no problem. Suppose the diagram coming like this. What you will do? It's a problem. Do you understand? Surmounted, there is no problem. Here we have to paint in the sense. Here also we have to paint. Am I right, children? Am I right? This shape only covered by the top. Am I right? The remaining portion we have to color. And there also you will be coloring. Here also you will be coloring. And here also you will be coloring. Here alone you will not. Why? Because we pasted each other the both shapes. Understand? There you will not color. But in the shape, not a problem. They surmounted each other. There is no gap here in the corner place. So directly that idea which I gave we can use. The idea which I gave we can use. What I gave? CSE of first shape, CSE of second shape. We can use. Do you understand? Right. Example 1, is it okay? But here number work is very tough. For finding L, this is fully Tama's work. They are done separately. Finally they added. That is some other thing. This you doing no. Here only you will not solve very carefully. It will take time actually. More than 5 minutes it will take for finding L alone. So you have to do very carefully. First example, if you not work out it, kindly work out. And here there is a word solid is there. There is a word solid. Then we have to go sum up all visible areas. We can take the figure in our hand. The shape we can take in our hand, and the pitch and the whatever the shape is given, that we can take. Then we can go through it. Now they are given a shape cuboid. In the top there is a hemisphere. Okay, right. After that, solid is what? Solid sum of all visible area. No. Now see, I can see the bottom. I can see the top. I can see all the 4 sides. So definitely total surface area is visible. Am I right? But in the total surface area, something is hidden. Some part. Not full part, some part is hidden. How much part is hidden? This much part hidden by hemisphere. This much part is hidden by hemisphere. Am I right? total surface area in the sense top, bottom, all the four will be included. In the top, some portion hidden by the hemisphere. The some portion we have to remove, you know. The some portion, how much is hidden? What is the area of base of that hemisphere? That we have to remove. What is that? Base area of a hemisphere, we should remove it from total surface area. After removed, when you look top, definitely this will be visible. This will be visible. Am I right? What is this? CSA of a, what it is? Hemisphere. This is very, very, very important. Not only for this question. In same model, exercise 8.1, there is a question 4 and 5. What, my dear? What? Oh, this is 13th chapter. As per old textbook, 13th chapter. As per new textbook, 12.1. Okay? Right. You people have old textbook only, no? So 13.1. So at 13.1, fourth question, fifth question, same method. Even you are going to use this formula only. Total surface area minus base area plus CSA of hemisphere. Understand? See that total surface area of the cube, base area of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. Am I right? After applying the number work, you will be getting the answer. Here, whether the word solid is there, you see. Wooden rocket is in the former shape of the cone mounted by the cylinder as shown in the figure. Okay, word solid is not there. And I told you, no, here they are talking about paint. Okay, paint in the sense we should be careful. We should not, sometime it will not work out the formula. Okay, when it is not in the shape of surmount is not there, it will not work out. Here it's not surmount because cylinder is smaller than cone base. See, in the cone we have to paint here. We should paint here. Am I right? Remaining portion only covered by the cylinder. Am I right? So we have to paint this place. We have to paint this place. That is, they are shown separately here. Cone base a little bigger because 5 centimeter diameter. Cylinder base is smaller, 3 centimeter diameter. Then definitely this we have to color by the what color they are telling? Cylinder is yellow color, conical portion is orange color. Okay, so here I did red color, no? There they will be doing conical portion, that is orange color they will be painting. That alone we should be careful. Okay, so they asked to separate separately. First when I go with the orange color, cone, then you take a total surface area minus remove base area of cylinder. Okay, total surface area in the sense all area will be covered, and this alone we have to remove. What? Which we pasted there, we cannot able to paint. So that you remove. What is that? Base area of a cylinder you remove. Base area of cylinder you remove, you will be getting answer. Do you understand? Do you understand or what? After applying formula, you will be getting. Same thing what it is now. Yellow color. Yellow in the sense what? Cylinder. Cylinder, see, in bottom it is closed. Then they will be painting definitely. Top not possible to paint because they attached in the top cone shape. I told you, no, painting and all we should be careful. Paint word is coming, we should be careful. What is visible, that you have to go. So here CSA plus base area of a cylinder we have to go, or total surface area minus base area of the top. Base area of a top. Both are same. Okay. First one CSA plus bottom we are adding. Second one total surface area minus the top we are removing. Both are same. After that you can add this answer. See here. Orange color they used CSA. I said here total surface area. The same thing we can go like the R formula. CSA of first plus what it is? Base area of this formula. What is that? Base area of cone. base area of a cone minus base area of a cylinder. Like that we have to do. Commonly we can write like this, enough. Everything same only. The second thing they followed in the textbook. Cone, base area of cone minus cylinder they did. Everything same only. You do it carefully, you will be getting. CAC of cylinder plus base area of cylinder. They used the first one here. Here they used the first one, they didn't go for second. Understand? Do you understand or what? You tell me. Don't be very quiet. If you understand, I can go. Otherwise, I will teach all those things. Okay, with the step I will be going. Now, this is very important. Total surface area, it's there. There is no word solid. What you will do then? CAC of first figure, CAC of second figure. See? That's it. Very simple. If you are thinking about, okay, bird bath, where a bird will bath? Top or bottom or in the side, like that if you think, you cannot go with sums. Bird bath, there is no word solid. Go CAC of first figure, CAC of second figure. That's it. The idea you have to go always. Do you understand? What is the answer for this? 3.3. It's very important. This question only always they will be asking in 2 mark, sometime in 1 mark, sometime in 3 mark, sometime in 5 mark also they asked. That's what I am telling, it is important. The same thing, I don't know what is there here, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark, 4 mark, everything they will be asking. 4 mark case study will come. What is the area of cylinder? What is the area of hemisphere? What is the area of bird bath? Many things we can ask. Volume of bird bath, volume of a given figure, something. Okay, so you just read, go through it carefully. Only one question in this model, bird bath, in our textbook. And here 6 point, sorry, why I am telling always wrong name. 12.1 in our textbook, 13.1. First question, 2 cubes. After joining it became one shape. What shape? Cuboid. What they asking? Surface. Surface in the sense what's in the single figure? TSA we have to find. That's it, Raja. TSA of cuboid you have to do. You see, it is there. Take your classwork note, you will be getting idea now. 13th chapter classwork note you take, children. Is it there or what? It is there, I am right? Huh? Right. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere, hollow cylinder, something else. Okay. There is no word solid. Then hemisphere and cylinder is there. Then CAC of hemisphere and CAC of a cylinder. That's it. Am I right? Am I right? That is they did. Am I right? That's it. And third, a toy is in the form of cone and hemisphere. There is no word solid. Then this also CAC of cone plus CAC of a hemisphere. Do you understand? CAC of first shape plus CAC of a second shape. 4 and 5 I told you when I do example 2. What I said? Same formula you have to use here. Same formula you have to use. Total surface area minus base area of hemisphere plus CAC of hemisphere. The same formula you have to use, I said. The same thing. Either hemisphere will come inside the cuboid or outside the cuboid, whatever. Use the same formula, you will be getting. Understand? And question number 6, medicine capsule or who something, find its surface area. Combination in the sense, don't go towards surface area means R say total surface area like that, don't imagine, don't go. It's a combination of 2 shapes. One hemisphere this side and there also there is a hemisphere. How many hemisphere then we have? 2 hemisphere. Then CAC of cylinder plus 2 times of CAC of a hemisphere. That you have to do. That you have to do. Do you understand, children? This is you have to do very carefully. If you do, you will be getting answer. It's not a very big thing and all. Very easy. You should try with your own effort. Understand? Many people not getting idea whether we have to use total surface area or curved surface area. In area only they will be getting trouble. That's what I am teaching these things. And 10 to sum also important, one of that. And here there is no word solid. Solid is not there. You go with cylinder cone is there. Okay, there is a word cylinder and a cone. Cylinder, if cylinder, cone, there is no word, what is that? Solid. So CSE of cylinder, CSE of cylinder plus CSE of a cone. That is okay, but there is a word canvas. If you are getting word canvas, you should be careful, like a paint, what I said, same thing like a canvas. Because sometime they will be giving the word in the canvas, like what it is? Base is included, base is not included. They will be telling that extra word, that we have to read very carefully, because sometime in the ground also they will be using cloth. Canvas in the sense cloth, nothing. Canvas in the sense what, Raja? Cloth. When they use the cloth, sometime only for making tent they will be using. Ground not included. Here they note that base of the tent will not covered by the canvas. Means for base they didn't use the cloth. For base they didn't use cloth. Do you understand what I am telling? So here no need to add. Like a paint, what I said, same thing you have to go. Then CSE first, CSE second we can go. Base is not included. Base is included. If they are not using cloth in the what is the base, then you can go CSE first figure, CSE second figure, plus if they use the base plus a pi r square you have to add. Do you understand? You should be careful like a paint sum in the canvas also. 8th question, in the beginning itself they are given what? From a solid. If there is a word solid is there, then you should go all visible area. See children, question number 8 and 9 together I will take. Okay, now listen, focus here. Solid word is given, so that what I said, all visible area, we have to draw diagram for this. Solid cylinder, so draw cylinder, draw cylinder, draw cylinder. Right, fine. Height 2.4, okay, mention it. Diameter 1.4, that is also you mention it. Conical cavity is there. Cavity in the sense inside they will be making conical cavity. Same height, same diameter. You have made everything. Same height and same diameter. What is height 2.4? The same. Diameter also same. Like that they are telling. Hollowed out. Okay, they have taken out after making. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid in the nearest centimeter square. It's very important. Listen. If it is a solid, I told you, you take the shape in your hand, look around it. Bottom, it's not open, it is closed. Am I right? It's a closed. Top only they made a cavity and they closed. Am I right? Top only they made a cavity and they opened. But down it's closed. Down it's closed. Okay, it's a included portion then. What it is? Included portion. Then cylinder you take first, CSE of cylinder plus base area of cylinder plus from the top view, if you are looking from the top, cone also visible, then CSE of a cone we are taking, CSE of a cone. This is very important. Those who came from other section, same thing we can go, total surface area of the cylinder minus top alone you remove it. So base area of a top of cylinder, that you write, because this only I think sard it for you people. Okay, plus and CSE of a cone, CSE of a cone. This is sard it, but both are same only. Both are same only. Everything we can go. Do you understand, children? For 8th one, this is the idea. This is also one of the important. You just practice well. Understand? Shall we go to question number 9? Right. Question number 9. Is there word solid? Yeah. Sorry. Here it is here. Word solid is there. If word is solid, then we have to go. Sum of all visible. Here, in the top view, hemisphere visible. Bottom view, hemisphere visible. Then 2 times of CAC of a hemisphere. Plus, outside when you look, CAC of cylinder is visible. CAC of a cylinder is visible. That's it. That's it for 9. It's very easy. Okay, both top and bottom is open. So it's very easy. Easily we can done this. Do you understand, children? Right, Raja? Is it okay? Right. So that's it. Area is over. Volume we can go very easily. Before going to the volume, sir, this sum you kindly solve, sir. I will not get an answer. I have a doubt in this question. Like that in area, if you have any sum, you can ask now. 9 exercise sum, including example sums, you can ask. 7th one. Tent summa. So tent is in the shape of cylinder. Tent is in the shape of cylinder, surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part is height 2.4, diameter 4 respectively, slant height of the cylindrical portion, conical portion 2.8 centimeter. Find the area of canvas used by making the tent. Okay. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent, rate 500, that will be, bottom is not included. That's it. Listen, children, what I said the same thing. Solid word is not there. So CAC of first shape plus CAC of second shape. But tent in the sense which is included, not included, very careful. Bottom is not included, they said. Then don't add anything. Just surrounding only. CAC of that surrounding portion. Here also open. That cone part also open. Then no need to take that. Only for that also surrounding portion. So CAC. That's it. And here we are going 2 pi RH formula. And this will be pi r square. Pi r L. Common thing you take. Pi r then 2h plus L. Pi value nothing is set, then 22 by 7. R value, their diameter they set here. Diameter they set 4, then R equal to 2. Cylinder H value they are given 2.4, L value they are given everything. So R value 2, 2 into H value, H for a cylinder, so that is 2.4 plus L value 2.8, that's it. 2 into 22, 44. Divide 7. When you multiply this together, 8.4 plus 2.8. Add together, what I am getting? 44 divided 7. What is it? 6. 7, 6 apa? Right. 1, 7, how many 7? 7.6 you will be getting. Nothing. Then we will go by point, multiply each other. 24 remaining 2, 7 4s are 28, 30. Same thing you will be getting. 4, 4, 3, 3 again. After 1 digit amma. So what I am getting? 3, 3, 4.4 divide 7. Divide by 7. 4 7s are 28 apa. 4 7s are 28. Remaining I am getting 5. The 4 you bring it here. What you will be getting, man? 7 7s are 49. Remaining 5 you will be getting. Point is there. Give point. Bring that 4. The same. 7 7s are 49. Sorry. 49, remaining what it is? 5 again, point is there already. 7 sevens are 49, 1 0, again 1, okay, it will continue. So approximately 47.771, that is the answer. Understand, Raja? Now you multiple by 500. This is meter square. What it is? Meter square. What it is, my dear? Meter square. But it will cancel, I think, accurately. Where I did any mistake or what you see? I remember it, it will cancel accurately. Because 44 or 24, something will come. It's a book bag only, no? I think some mistake. Diameter of the cylindrical portion is 2.14. So instead of 2.4, 2.1 I should give. No problem, we'll change it, wait. Here 2.1, then what it will come? Just a 2 will come. Then when I add, what it will come? 6 7. The 7 will cancel. I said no, it will come 44. I remembered. Okay, 44 is the answer. Now 1 meter square is the 500 is given. 1 meter square is 500. Then 44 meter square, how much? That you multiply. After getting the answer, you multiply. 4 5s are 20, remaining 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. That 20. Totally 22,000 it's coming for making this much tent. It is very big tent, I think, because 4 meter base. 4 meter, that is very big only. Understand? Right. 22,000 it's getting. Do you understand, Pa? It's very easy. You have to do very carefully, but okay. After find the area, we have to multiple by 500. Anything else? From 13th chapter, first area based, right? Volume based you go. Volume based anything, whether you want, Raja, that you tell me. What, Ma? Third. Ma, you people don't have any doubt in 13th chapter? Tell me, I will stop, then I will teach for him alone. I will sit with him, I will teach. Whether if you have a doubt, commonly we will go in a board. If you don't have a doubt, you people start to practice. I will teach those who have a doubt, just I will teach them separately. Not a problem. Example 5, how many of them have doubt? Then why you people not asking? Nearest 10 to 15 children, you people raising your hands. Then why are you not asking? That is my question. Huh? It's a very important question, I think. Better I will take this. I don't know how, those who not raised also, they don't have idea about this. Really, I am telling. Many people have not seen this type of question. Diagram is given, so that with the diagram I am taking. Half of the board occupied. See the question in your textbook, man. See the question in your textbook, if it is not visible. See, children, here what they are telling, Santa runs the industry in a shed which is in the shape of a cuboid surmounted by half cylinder. That is very important. Shed in the shape of a cuboid, but shed in the shape of a cuboid, but half cylinder only they used. For what? For covering the top roof. Okay. Right. The base of the shed dimension. Shed in the sense it is cuboid, no? So cuboid details they are given. Cuboid detail they are given 7 into 15. 7 meter into 15 meter. And height of the cuboidal portion 8 meter. That is given separately. Find the volume of air that shed can hold? How much volume of air that shed can hold, they are asking. Volume of air they are asking, air inside the building, how much air it is there. Before that, in the top of the shed, what it is there? That is the cubical, cylindrical shape, half cylindrical shape. They will be covering the shape, Daraja. They will be covering the shape. They will be covering the shape. They will be covering the top sheet, they are covering, no? Like that, they are covered here. Do you understand? Right. But the 7 meter only they are covering, it seems. They mentioned in that's what they are given diagram. Which I did, that is different. They said 7 they are covered there. So I will rub this. I'll remove all those things. So this one 7 meter and the length is 15 meter. Like that they are given. Do you understand? They change. That's what they are given diagram separately. Right, fine, based on that we will go. What they are telling here, we have a cuboid, that is okay. Cuboid L value now 15 and base value 7 and H value 8, that is okay. Cylinder is there, I am right. Cylinder diameter, it is 7. That's what they are given this word. Half of the cylinder, no? So cylinder is what? 7. Then R equal to 7 by 2. Height of the cylinder, if you want, that is 15 meter. See, this is length of cylinder, no? That is height of the cylinder. Then H equal to 15 meter. So here one H, there one H, I am taking H1, H2. That is the difference. After another one clue is given, find the volume of air in the shed can hold. Further, suppose the machinery in the shed occupies the total space 300 meter cube. Machines are there in the shed, it seems. Machines and all occupied 300 meter cube volumes. Do you understand? Right. Next, there are 20 workers. They occupied 0.08 meter cube volume each person. See, each whom occupy about 0.08 meter cube space on the average. Then, how much air in the shed now, they are asking. Do you understand this question? First you find the volume of the shed. Then those who are occupied, that you will remove later. Okay. First volume of shed I am going. Volume of a shed I am going. Volume of a cuboid plus volume of a half cylinder. Cuboid formula, what it is? Length into breadth into height of the cylinder. So half of pi r square h. Here this one h1 I took, so h1 h2 for the difference. L value 15, B value 7, H value 8 plus of the cylinder pi value 22 by 7, R value 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, H2 value they are given 15. That's it. Now we have to simplify this. Anything is cancelled, you just do it. 1 time, 11 time, 1 7, 1 7. That's it. Okay. Now we'll go with this. 15 into 7, 8s are what, Raja? 56 plus 11 into 7, 77 into 15 divide 2 2s are 4. Okay, 15 into 56 you multiply. $77 and 15 you multiply. Divide 4. Okay. Now divide 4 you do it. For 115 and divide 4. So 3 4s are 12 you will be getting. Not possible 3 then. 2 times 8 remaining. 3 you will be getting 5. 8 32 remaining 3 same 3 4 7s are 4 7. After remove 2 is coming again 25 appa. Add each other. 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 4 12, remaining 1 13 11. Is that 1128.75 meter cube? This is not a final answer, children. This is not a final answer. We have to remove which occupies here. Which occupies here, that we have to remove. So volume of remaining air அப்படின்னு போட்டு 1128.75 minus machines occupied 300 meter cube and people's occupied totally 20. One person occupied 0.08 meter cube. Multiply each other. First this 20 you multiply. 2 8s are 16. 120. After 2 digit point in the sin, 1.6 you will be getting. Here we have a 300 and this will be as it is 1128.75. Add this together and subtract. What you will be getting? 1128.75 minus 301.6. Subtract this. That is your final answer. Can you subtract this, children? That is the required answer. Check the book back now. You will be getting. Is it right? See, this is one of the important. Don't think that is very easy. Okay, what it is? 827.15 meter cube. This is the required answer. Children, really I am telling, the example 5, it's a different sum. Don't think sir said somewhat differently, it will ask for next exam, tomorrow exam, like that. You don't plan. We are giving revision for board exam. The different sums and all you have to learn. Understand? So that only I am giving important for this. Right. Now we are going example 6. Example 6. Anyone have a doubt, Raja? This is they have done here. Example 6. Anyone have a doubt here? Raise your hands. Only 3. Okay, I will teach you separately. Okay, this is very easy. The apparent capacity word, actual capacity. That if you know, you can do very easily. Okay, right. And this one, already we did, I think, 7th question. That boy asked separately. Now here, anything else? Third one. How many of them don't know first one? Very good. Second one. This sum asked for E section, I think. Am I right, Raja? You saw. Instead of word Rachel, they are given a student. A student, this everything removed. A student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder, something they are given. Okay. Oh, third one, gulab jamun, some you people asking. Right. Gulab jam. Diagram I didn't take. It's not required. So that I didn't take. See, children, this is one of the easiest and important question. So we'll go with that. Okay. Listen. See this gulab jamun. there is a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup about 30% of its volume. So 30% in the sense 30 divided 100. Percentage means by 100. Multiply. Find the approximate and how much sugar syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun. Then 45. Because for 30% for 1 gulab jamun. They asked for 45 gulab jamun. So into 45. Each each shaped like a cylinder, then cylinder, volume of cylinder, plus with 2 hemispherical, then 2 times of volume of hemisphere, hence length 5 centimeter and diameter. Here we will draw, here one hemisphere, here one hemisphere. Total length they are telling it is 5 centimeter. And diameter 2.8 like that they are telling. Diameter 2.8, what is the radius? 1.4. Am I right? And here also 1.4. That 1.4 and this 1.4 if you remove, you will be getting volume, cylinder height. Am I right? Right. So, hemisphere radius if you want 2.8 you divide by that you will be getting. Same thing cylinder, radius equal to 1.4, h is equal to, from the total height, 2 times of radius we have to remove, because in one end one radius, other end another radius, so 2 radius we have to remove. 5 minus 2 times of radius, they have said that 2.8. After remove what I am getting 2.2, that is the h, right. Now you come here, here we can cancel this very clearly, 1 0, 0 will cancel, 9 5s are, 2 5s are. Now I am going, 3 9s are 27, divided 2, volume of cylinder pi r square h, 2 into volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now the common thing you take outside, pi r square I am taking, h will be there, and 2 2s are 4 by 3 also is there. So 4 by 3 into r, this will be there, because from the cube r square I took. 27 divided 2, pi value nothing is given, so 22 divided 7. Radius value for both they are given that 1.4, multiply 1.4, h value 2.2 plus 4 by 3 radius 1.4. After simplify you will be getting, possible to cancel, you just do it, 1 time, this is 2 time, but point is there, so 0.2 time. This also 1 time, so 0.1 time. That's it, we can go with the multiplication. Now here I have 27 as it is, 22 into 1 same 22, but after 1 digit we have to give point. Into 1.4, that 2.2 as it is, instead of 2.2 as it is, we can multiply it, this 3 you multiply. So what I am getting? 6.6 plus, this you multiply each other, 4 4s are 16 remaining 1, 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 56 divided 3 we are getting. And here also that 3 we can cancel, 1 3s are 9 3s are 27. The 3 we can cancel very clearly. Next I have 9 into 22 into 14. 22 into 14, here you multiply 22 into 14. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2, 8, 2 again, 8, 10, 1, 3. So I am getting 308. But here 1 digit, there also 1 digit. So after 2 digit we have to give point. Into, add this together, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1.2. Add 12.2. Is it 12.2? 6 plus 6, 12 remaining 1, 12. 12.2. What it is? 12.2. Multiply all those things. Before that, multiply 9. The outside 9. 9 8s are what, Raja? 72. 9 3s are 27 after 2 digit. So 27.72 multiply 12.2. So multiply by 12.2. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, remaining 1, 14 plus 1, 15, again 1, 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 in the sense same number, 4, 4, 5, 5. One number in the sense same number, 1, 7, 7 again and 2. Add everything. What I am getting, my dear? 4, 8, 9 plus 2, 11, remaining 1, 18, remaining 1, 3, remaining 1 is there, 3. After 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit we are giving point. So that the final answer we are getting 338.184 centimeter cube. Okay. They asked very clearly in the question. Very clearly in the question they said, I think they said. Okay, you stop then. That's it. What is the book bag answer? Is it getting? Is this answer? 8.2 is given. Here. Then this one we can add approximately. This one. 338.2. More than 8, more than 5, no, so we can add. Okay. But do you understand this, ma? I'll make little smaller. Sorry. What I am playing with this? Okay, this is enough, I think. If I am doing again, it will be coming something. The diagram should be visible. That's what I am trying. Is it enough? Enough, Dabba Raja. Okay. Apart from this, anything else from 13th chapter? Okay, 13th chapter over. Leave it. Anything else? 12th chapter you go. Huh? From this. What is 7? Solid right circular cone 120 centimeter. Full of water. Day. Example 7 model you tried. Same thing. Full of water, they kept that toy inside. Water comes out. What is volume of cylinder? They will be asking. Cylinder minus toy you do. You will be getting the answer for 7. The same question, 7th question like example 7 model you people try. Okay, that's it. Summary we got it. 7th chapter over, Raja. Sorry, 13th chapter over. Next, which chapter we are going? Shall we go 12th chapter? Because area we are losing many mark actually. Area related to circle, you people losing your mark. There also you should be careful. How many of them getting good mark in 12th chapter? Till this conducted exams? Very less. So you should learn this. Listen, come here. So find the area of sector. This word if you are getting, find the area of sector word if you are finding. Only one thing you want to remember. Theta by 360 into pi r square. The formula you should remember always. Area of minor sector, area of major sector or just sector, whatever they mention, you have to remember theta by 360 pi r square. Do you understand? Theta by 360 pi r square you should remember. That's it. See, a radius 4, theta value 30 degree. That we have to apply here. See, theta 30 degree by 360. Pi value they asked to use 3.14, radius 4. Why they are writing 2 times? Because square is there. Then they cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 1 time, 12 time, 1, 4, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Then 3.14 into 4, 12.56. Denominator 3 will come as it is. When you divide, you will be getting this answer. That's it. Do you understand? Like that they are doing. Next, major sector. See, major sector na they are doing something else. They are subtracting something they are doing, pi r square. What is my idea? 360, that theta is there. Theta for what? This one. Major sector na this is. Am I right? Here 30 now. What about that angle? 330. 330. You no need to remember extra formula and all. Subtract this and all. You no need to remember. You go same formula. 330 divided 360 multiply pi r square. R value what? 4. Sorry. This you forget. 3.14. 4 into 4. Same pi r square formula you apply. 0, 0 cancel. Third table. 11 3s are. Here 12 3s are. Same like this. 3 times. Again you multiply 3.14 4. 3.14 4 I multiplied here. What it is? 12.56. Multiply 11 divide 3. If you are getting, you will be getting the answer. After multiply you divide, you will be getting automatically this answer. Same thing. Wherever you go, the subtraction work will be reduced there. Directly, what is that? You will be getting answer. Understand? Right. What we did, that idea they are given in the Aliter method. See, they will be getting 46.05 it seems. What it is after divide everything? 46.05, approximately 46.1, like that they are telling. Understand? You should be careful with this type Daraja. And next here you see, they are asking area of segment. Area of segment in the sense always area of sector minus area of triangle. What is area of triangle formula? 1 by 2 r square sin theta. You should not forget this. 2 radius, 1 chord. 2 radius, 1 chord is coming. This formula, I think morning also I said this. This formula, that's it. So area of sector minus this triangle. When you subtract, you will be getting. See, area of sector minus this. But they did separately. You do it together. You do it together. Something they did here, long, cos, tan, something. That is the extra work. I don't know why they are doing like this. That formula which I gave, that used. They went to 9th chapter. Finding area of triangle, they went to 9th chapter. They are finding height, base, then later they are going. This work and all don't want. You go directly that formula, you will be getting, surely you will be getting answer very easily. Understand? Already we did in the classwork note like that only. Am I right? You see the classwork note, you will be getting. Classwork note and all, I didn't use this type of method. I used that shortcut only. The same thing, see a radius 6, angle, what is that, 60 degree, that formula, pi r square into theta by 360. That formula you have to use. Okay. Quadrant in the sense, 90 degree you have to take in the formula. Or else pi r square by 4 you take. Or else angle you take 90. Quadrant in the sense angle 90. Circle ma, from that one part only quadrant. So angle 90. Understand? Right. Minute hand if they are given. Minute hand if they are given. Raja, minute hand if they are given. What is the angle? 1 minute equal to what is the angle? 1 minute equal to 6 degree. You should not forget 1 minute equal to 6 degree. Suppose hour hand is given. Hour hand for 1 minute equal to 1 by 2 degree. Listen carefully. Hour hand 1 minute hour hand 1 minute half degree. Not for 1 hour half degree ma. 1 minute hour hand 1 minute equal to half degree. 1 minute and 1 minute equal to 6 degree. That is the difference. Whether they are given hour hand or minute hand, that you see carefully, then you answer it. Do you understand? Right. chord of a circle radius. See, minor segment, major sector, that is not a segment. Minor segment in the sense which we got here. This is called a minor segment. This is called a minor segment. So area of sector minus triangle, if you do, you will get minor segment only. Understand? Major segment, if they are asking, area of circle minus this answer, this minor segment answer you apply, you will be getting major segment. If they are asking major sector, this idea you use it. Which idea? Angle subtraction. Major sector, if they are asking. What is given angle? From 360 you remove, you will be getting that. Directly you can get the major sector. Do you understand the difference? What I am telling? Are you understand, children? So here they asked a major sector, where in the question number 4. Yeah. See here, major sector they are asking. So what is the theta? Theta is what? That you remove it. Theta is what here? Minute and some? No. 90 Raja. Then 360 minus 90, you just do it, you will be getting. Understand? Right angle they mentioned. Very good. Right angle they mentioned. As per that, you just go. Is it okay, Raja? Next, question number 5. Radius is subtend angle 60 degree. Length of arc. Length of arc in the same, the formula. Very good. Theta by 360, 2 pi r. Okay, va? It's very simple. Anything else you have a doubt? This is also same thing what I said, that example. Okay? Minor and major segments they asking. Minor and major segments they asking. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Minor segment you will be getting. Circle, and if you remove a minor segment, you will be getting major segment. அவ்வளோதான். புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? அதை நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக போடணும். இது வந்து எழுதி வச்சுருந்து போடுவீங்களா? ஆர் சம்முக்கு வாட் யூ வில் டேக் ஆங்கிள் 90 டிகிரி. ஆர் சம் வாட் யூ வில் டேக் ஆங்கிள் 90 டிகிரி. ஸோ அந்த ஆர் சம் எங்கே இருக்குது? இந்த இருக்குது. 90 டிகிரி வச்சு நீங்கள் போடணும். போட்டுருவீங்களே? சரி. அதே மாதிரி தான் இது எல்லாமே வரும். அம்ப்ரல்லா சம், ப்ரூச் சம், எவ்ரி திங் லைக் தட் சேம் தான். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாங்கன்னா சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் யூ டேக், யூ ஜாயின் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ் லைக் திஸ். இப்படி ஜாயின் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஆஃப்டர் ஜாயின் ஹவு மெனி 1 2 3 4 5 6. அப்போ தீட்டா இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 360 டிவைடு 6 விச் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 60 டிகிரி. இந்த ஆங்கிள் கொடுக்கல 60 டிகிரி நம்ம இப்படி தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கு அதுக்கப்புறமா தி ஆஸ்கிங் டிசைன். இதான் டிசைன். திஸ் இஸ் கால்டு டிசைன். How many design we have? 6 design இல்லையா? How many design we have? 6 design. Then see 6 time of area of sector. Area of sector minus a area of a triangle. That's it. You will be getting the required answer. It's very simple. Understand? After that they said some amount. That amount you multiply with this 0.35. Later, after finding the 6 time of area, you multiply, you will be getting the required answer. Understand? Do you understand, children? That's it. Summaries we got it. So from 12th chapter, if you have any doubt, you can ask. From 12th chapter, if you have any doubt, you can ask, I said. Question number? Okay. Now any chapter, any sums, you can ask. Any chapter. You tell me, I am ready to take. Chapter number 1 or something else. Okay. Listen, if you are not asking, I will teach probably order wise I will go. Ma, listen, if you are not asking, I will go order wise. You give it to me, textbook you give it. Whatever. 9th chapter, question number what? This one. Question number 7 from 9th chapter they asking. 9th chapter, the bridgism. Mean based you want. Okay, that I will do now. Why you people not asking any doubt from 14th chapter? Are you clear with the 14th chapter? Definitely one 3 mark, one 5 mark will be coming from 14th chapter. And coin, dice and all, do you know? Coin, dice. I will tell you one question, you answer. 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice are rolled. Neither 2 dice are rolled. This is okay, va? neither thinking question. Then cards will go. Cards only very easy. Cards will go. Neither face card nor red card. What is the answer for this? Can you tell me? Neither face card nor red card. What is the answer for this? Can you tell me? 12. What 12? I'm asking probability of this man. 3 by 13. That only is said 12 by 12 something. Shall we check it? Listen. First, listen. First, face card or a red card. This you see. How many face card we have? 12. How many red card we have? 26. Common for both, how much is there? 6 card. Because in face card, red color 6 card is there. Divide 52. This is R, either also, sorry. Either also will come. Simply or either face or red if they ask also same method. So 20, 32, divide 52. Cancel by 4 table. How many 4 in 32? Divide here 13. This is the answer for our question. Neither in the sense, same thing 1 minus 13. What is this? 13 minus 8 divide 13, which is equal to what, Raja? 5 by 13 is the answer. Or this is one way. Or 52 minus a whole numerator. 12 plus 26 minus 6 whole divide 52. If you do, you will get the same answer. Neither nor comes in the sense, what you writing in denominator, same thing you write, minus what you will do for either sum, that you do it after that. You will be getting the required answer. Understand? Go to the break. After the break, we will meet.